Happy Mail Queen. I have another project share for you guys. I have a couple of shaker cards and some rosettes, and what else did I make? Oh, and some tiny pizza boxes that I just decorated simply. Okay, so first of all, what I used was this Main Squeeze. I used a couple of papers from Main Squeeze crepe paper. That is their new Valentine paper. And I also used these stickers. So I used some of the hearts and XOXO, and then a couple of these Happy Valentine's Day sentiments, and love these stickers. I also use the washi because I realize I don't use my washi enough. I buy washi and then sometimes I just forget to use them, so I made myself use it this time. I also used these die cuts that my BFF had gifted me. Hey Erica. She gifted me these, oh, I don't know, either last year or the year before for Valentine's Day. But anyway, I absolutely love this font and it's a great size. So yes, I'm trying to use up some of the die cuts that my friends have given me over the years. Before I start, on my last shaker, you guys were asking about the sugar dispenser or tool thing that I was using. Okay, so this is it right here. And the reason that I grabbed this is because I saw Serena B. She's Serena B Creative on YouTube, and she was using some kind of tool that she was just scooping her sequins up with. And when I saw this at the store at Hobby Lobby, I thought, oh, that kind of looks like it. But let me tell you where this came from. This was a sugar jar, a sugar dispenser. It was on clearance at Hobby Lobby for 75 cents, you guys. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to grab it. And I tried to, oops, I'm sorry for that awful noise. I took it out and I said, oh, well, I think I can use that for 75 cents. Why not, right? And I still have this jar that I can do whatever with. Use it as a vase. Look, I can put a rosette or something in there. Anyway, yeah, that's what this is. So seems to work. Anyway, but I still make a mess like I said before. All right, so let me go ahead and share with you guys what I created. So I did create a card. Oh, and let me just show you the dies that I used. So I used a White Lotus frame die. It's this one right here, and I had gotten this on Amazon. These are some dies, I think, that come from China, but it is through Amazon, and this is the company that I go with. Okay, White Lotus. And I use the outer border frame die. And then this was gifted to me by Bridget, and I love using this. I think I use it every year. It's a cross-stitch nesting die, heart die, and I believe it's memory box. So, hey girl, thanks for this die because I absolutely love it and I use it. For the bow right here, this is the Martha Stewart punch, bow punch. And I just punched out glitter paper. These hearts right here. Now, the Main Squeeze collection, it did come with one glittered die cut. And I really like the shape of it. And I was too lazy to, you know, get my primitive, this is like a primitive heart shape. Heart, I was too lazy to bring out my other heart die. So anyway, I just traced around it. And then that's how I cut this one right here. And this is using the paper from the paper collection. And then I just added this love die cut. And, you know, of course I put the acetate, made a shaker. The background, as you can see here, it's full of hearts. And then just a really simple but cute card. And then I made sure I actually decorated the inside. So I can put my note here, And I just used, again, another nesting die, which is also from White Lotus. I thought it was from AliExpress, but it's not. It's White Lotus from Amazon, and I think one of you guys asked and I gave you the link. So very inexpensive die. This heart die you can get on Amazon, and if I remember, I will leave the link down below because it's pretty inexpensive. I think it's like a little bit over $5, which is a great price. And if you have Prime, I don't think it even matters if you have Prime. It's free shipping. So I'll make sure I leave the link down below for that because I know one of you guys are looking for a heart die. So anyway, ooh, I think I need to tape that a little bit better. Anyway, I did the same thing. I put 2 hearts right next to each other. This one I die cut and this one I hand cut. Used the washi. Just put it across there and put the Happy Valentines. It's such a cute washi, you guys. Look at the little faces. And then here, just punched out a heart using my EK Success punch right here. And then put washi down. Really simply decorated, but as you can see, it's very colorful and, you know, it works. It's nice and it's flat. Everything's flat in there. Okay, for my next card, very similar to the second card here, I just used this bow that I created a while back, and it's the larger bow, My Creative Time, gifted to me by, now I don't remember if the larger die was from Erica or from Bridget, but they collaborated on getting me the dies. So thank you, girls. I love it. And again, I simply decorated it again, just cut my dies and use a different sequence mix. The sequence mix here has the XOXO, and I believe that one's from the 99-cent store, I think, or Dollar Tree, I can't remember. And then on the inside, I just decorated it kind of similar, but not really. Just used a bunch of heart dies, so you can compare here. I use those cute little hearts. Look how they are when you peel them off. It just has the gold borders. I love it. It's so pretty. So pretty. Put my washi, vertical instead. And again, use one of those Happy Valentine's Day sentiments. So yeah, really simply decorated, but so cute. And then on the back, when I cut this border, I keep saying border, but it's a frame die. When I cut the frame, rather, die cut, the inside part, I stuck on the back just to make it more sturdy. And then I punched out and stamped my, my little, to put my name on it, to personalize it. And I did the same thing on the back here. See? Really, really cute, really simple cards. So those are the cards. I made a couple of rosettes, so let me go ahead and share that with you. I used a Martha Stewart rosette or medallion punch. And this piece right here, the red and the pink, I made that, I think, last year. And I had a bunch left, so I went ahead and used it. And I added this cute, what is this, eyelash trim. This was gifted to me by someone. Oh gosh, and I can't remember. Might have been Mimi, because she gifted me a whole bunch, but I can't remember now, you guys. Sorry. You know who you are, who gifted me this beautiful, beautiful eyelash trim, and it's metallic, and I love it. It goes well. I used another Martha Stewart, again, bow punch, just like this one right here. And punched that out, and then I decorated the back also. This is the Spellbinders die. What is it called again? I can't remember. But I've shared this before. And this here is actually a canvas. I cut out a bunch, and I love it. See, it's canvas. And I just used, this is the red, and, well, all the canvas I get from Hobby Lobby. So I love using that. And then I used one of my sticks from the 99-cent store. And then for my second one is a pink one right here. It's a lighter pink one. It's beautiful. I love it. And again, this piece right here, these 2 layers here, that is from last year's. I mean, I had tons of embellishments left. Not tons, but you know, I had a few, and I'm trying to, you know, use them up. And sometimes I just get into, you know, making embellishments, and then I have a bunch left over. And then I decorated the back similarly to the first rosette. So those are the 2 rosettes. And then lastly, oh yeah, I made a couple of decorative boxes. And so I made my own pizza box. This is, let me put this aside for a sec. This is, what is the size? I cannot remember. I think it's 4, where's my ruler? 4.5 or 4 3/4. Hold on. Oh, sorry, 3.5. It's 3.5 by 3.5. And I created this tiny box because I have something inside it. Before I get to that, let me just, this is one of the cross-stitch die again that Bridget had gifted me, die cut. And I just used one of these glitter paper cardstock from, I think this is from Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure, either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And then these embellishments right here, see the cupcake shaker, I made those last year using a Queen and Company set. And I cut this, another stitched heart piece here, and then this was a button that I had in my stash. Really cute, you guys, but I made this last year, so I made it really easy to decorate. And again, it's a pizza box, and so let me just show you what's inside it, because I made it 3.5 by 3.5 to store this little guy here. And sorry, Erica, I forgot to, when I sent it to you, I wasn't making the boxes. So anyway, this is for another friend of mine. I just used some crinkle paper in there, or whatever these are, the I guess crinkle paper, that's what comes to mind. Shredded paper. And there's one box, and then here's another box. Again, I used another embellishment that I made last year, which is a heart shaker, and I used again that stitched cross-stitch die from Bridget. And then I made the inside heart, you know, to cut that part out using another die. Can't remember. And then just, you know, made a bow from, what do you call it? Wow, I'm like ribbon. I'm blanking out, ribbon. And then another one of those cute little buttons. I think I got that from Hobby Lobby last year. And then here's another one, and see, it's perfectly housed in there. So yeah, I love it. These came out so cute, ready to be gifted. So I hope you guys like my project share for today. Leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to also click on that little bell so that you're notified whenever I make a new video. And thank you so much, everybody, for your beautiful kind comments. I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying my videos. And yeah, you know, keep leaving me comments, and you know, it just revs me up, you know, to do more videos. So anyway, I'm really having fun with Valentine projects. It's one of my favorite holidays, if you consider it a holiday. But I do love everything that's out in the store around Valentine's Day. And I'm just rambling right now, so I'll go ahead and say goodbye. Thanks so much, and enjoy your week. Bye, everyone.